Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This nearly new 2016 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with only 400 miles runs and rides like new and is ready for the road. It's been upgraded with Vance & Hines slip-on mufflers, a backrest, luggage rack, and a rear bumper. Powered by a reliable 103 cubic inch V-twin attached to a 6-speed transmission, the Freewheeler puts 104 foot-pounds of torque at 3,250 RPM. If you're looking for the stability of 3 wheels from the factory, this Freewheeler is a great choice. It weighs in at 1,045 pounds and has a seat height of 27.5 inches. This opportunity vehicle is being sold as is. We encourage you to see and hear the bike in person. If you are unable to, we will be happy to do a live inspection via Skype or FaceTime. Please give us a call for more information. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking on the link on the right side of the video.